Hello everyone, today we're gonna make a play button. What play button is it? We're going to make a platinum play button for 200 million subscribers. First, you can see this is the silver play button. Platinum is kind of the same color as silver, but I'm gonna add a little triangle here for the centerpiece. Yeah, that's not right. I need to change the size a little bit into this. Then make it white and no outline. So this is the platinum play button's main part. Then I thought of the old play buttons, like the OG gold and OG silver play buttons. They're in frames. So I searched up the OG gold play button here. We got some videos, and let's try to get some gold play buttons. Where is it? If we can't find one, let's add this. You do. How about this? I think this is good enough, right? Copy it into the Word, paste. You should wait a minute. Oh, this is way too slow, so I got it. Let's just, sorry, I opened a Twitter thing. Drag it to the desktop like this. Get to my document and a video. Get the OG gold play buttons. No, it's not there. Insert it. Wow, that's good. Like this. Okay. Then, yeah, like this. I need to make it to the bottom place. Then, so the platinum play button should increase its size. And the centerpiece should increase its size as well. So this is the final product. But did you notice that we have this? We've gotta make something like, and I'm using Microsoft Word, so I'm looking for a kind of gray, to fit. I think this is enough. No, it's a little bit too dark. Or should I use this? And did everyone notice there is the old YouTube logo? So I think that's it. This is the platinum play button. We'll make the next part because it's unfinished, so we'll make the next part later.